Guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something pretty exciting. I am going to be recreating IKEA's signature meatballs. It's a really simple recipe and no worries, I am going to be guiding you through the entire process. For more recipe content, I've also uploaded other short videos on my own personal Instagram account, so you can go and check those out over here. Alright, enough talking, let's get started. Check this out. Hi guys, so we have finally come to the review of our homemade Swedish meatballs, IKEA style. The taste test. Okay, let's find out.
Ooh, wow, the sauce is pretty creamy.
it's actually a pretty good dish. Yeah, only took us about a couple of hours to get to this stage. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video, and if you'd like to see more content, please subscribe to my channel for more food recipes as well as my travel vlog series. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand.